Westminster Shorter Catechism, Question and Answer 32. Quaestio trigesima et secunda. Quaenam beneficia in hoc vita consequuntur ii, qui sunt vocati efficacater. Responsio, qui vocati sunt efficacater, justificationem, adoptionem et sanctificationem in hoc vita consequuntur, una cum omnibus iis beneficiis quaecunque solent in hoc vita comitari illas aut ab iistem promanare. The question is, what are the benefits? Quaenam here is the interrogative adjective quae with the suffix nam, which means what precisely or what exactly. So what precisely are the benefits, or what benefits in this life do those persons, partake of or achieve, acquire, gain? Is masculine plural and nominative, and it's the subject of the deponent verb consequuntur. Consequuntur is from the third conjugation deponent verb, as I've said, consequor, consequi, in hoc vita, prepositional phrase, and quaenam beneficia is neuter, plural, and accusative as the direct object of consequuntur. Then there is a relative clause which modifies So what benefits do they obtain? Which persons are these? They are qui sunt vocati efficacater, those who have been, sunt vocati, those who have been called efficacater, effectually. Vocati sunt is the third plural, perfect, indicative, and passive, from the first conjugation verb vocare, like so, and efficacater is an adverb. This is a common adverbial ending, ter. Then the answer, those who have been called, qui vocati sunt, effectually, efficacater, justification, adoption, and sanctification in this life they partake of. So the subject, qui vocati sunt efficacater, this relative clause is the subject of consequuntur. The object of consequuntur are these three feminine singular and accusative objects, justificationem, adoptionem, and sanctificationem, all feminine singular accusative, all third declension abstractions. So those who have been effectually called partake of justification, adoption, and sanctification in hoc vita, in this life. So here we see much of the question repeated in the answer. And the answer continues, una cum, together with, as well as, or along with, omnibus iis beneficiis, all of those benefits. So omnibus iis beneficiis, neuter, plural, and ablative as the object of the preposition cum. Together with all of those benefits, whatsoever there are, quaecunque, whichsoever ones, and quaecunque is the subject of solent, which is a third plural indicative from the second conjugation verb soleo, solera. So, together with all of those benefits, whatsoever ones tend to or typically accompany or follow illas in this life. The antecedent of the pronoun here, illas, that is the adjective that is being used as a substantive, the antecedent are these three things: justification, adoption, and sanctification. Whatsoever ones are typically accompanying those in this life, in hoc vita. Comitari is the infinitive of the first conjugation deponent verb comitor, comitari, and its object is illas. So we have whatsoever ones typically accompany them, or flow, promanare, another first conjugation infinitive like comitari, or flow ab iistem, from those same ones, that is, from these three, justification, adoption, and sanctification. Iistem, feminine, plural, and ablative as the object of ab, with these three as the antecedent. Another member of the assembly, here pictured John Lightfoot.